All right, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. Of course, to all those people who are new here, we are road coders. That means we are a team of developers right now from Melbourne, Australia, and we are working on a project which relates to adding persistent storage to a current open source project. Um, as you can see, Tanesh is here with us to join. That was a very impromptu plan, and yeah, welcome, Tanish. Do you want to give us a quick
Hi,
introduction?
hi everyone. Yeah, thanks and thanks Karthik for having me on the show.
Sure.
I've just recently joined the industry. Been working on this
Mhm.
project with Zain, Karthik, and some other developers, and I'm just keen to jump on the stream and help you guys and solve some of the problems.
That's pretty nice. How are you feeling
Fantastic.
today, Zen?
I'm feeling pretty spectacular, and because of one day off that we have had, so that means that our productivity will be more today.
Mm.
And so usually it's 2 times, but today it will be 3 times. So
Yeah,
that would be really good.
yeah, sure.
So right, just a bit of a recap. What happened on Friday? I think you weren't available, right? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, because you had to do your major assignment.
Mm.
I really hope that went well, and you managed to do
Me
that
too.
deadline.
Honestly, me too. Okay, yeah.
Well, I'm sure all your hard work will pay off.
Me too.
Um, yeah, you're a pretty smart guy. So yeah, so just to recall what I did, as in on
Yeah.
Friday. So I tried my best to get the board name from the database to appear on the board page, which would be index.html. After a few tries, I ran out of time. That would be my excuse for this time. But
Um,
no, seriously speaking, I couldn't get it to work in the way that I wanted to. Um,
mm.
so we'll be continuing from there onwards.
Yeah.
Do you wanna code today, and I can take control of Jira and other things?
Yeah, sure. Maybe Tanish would have some ideas on that part, but
Yeah.
we'll get to the problem first, and I'll explain you.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yeah.
I feel like we both are really bad with front end. At least
True.
me, for sure.
No, no, I don't consider myself as in a front end
Yeah,
dev.
yeah,
So
yeah.
maybe Tanesh's expertise and all the
Mm,
experience he has goes so far can come in handy in
yeah,
front end.
for sure.
I don't consider myself front end either, so but we'll see.
That helps.
Teamwork. Let's
If you
let's
consider
make an effort
yourself
together.
a yeah, if you consider yourself a Googler, then you are front end and back end both.
Yeah.
If you can just Google
You can be
stuff,
a full stack if you know how to Google,
Yeah.
you can
which
be
is
on sea level. I don't know.
which is basically just typing in how to do this in Google, how to do that.
Yeah,
So yeah, do you wanna share your
yeah,
screen,
on it.
okay? And I will get um Jira out on my end.
Mhm.
Oh, sorry, my
Merge
bad.
day. I was gonna say.
Told Yeah, yeah. So every Sunday is our merge day. So today what we're going to be doing is not the board name task, but actually making sure all the feature branches that are ready to be merged, they are actually merged into dev and then master, both for front end and the back end. Am I right, Kay?
What I was thinking was that maybe then you can work on the merging, and me and Tanesh can discuss what we can do for this.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds a lot more productive in that sense. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
because we both can't really help you with the whole merge thing. We can just
Yeah,
watch you.
true, true. Okay.
Um,
Yeah, so in that way, you guys continue to do the
yeah,
board name task, and I'll just keep on the merge at my end.
surely.
All right,
Um,
perfect.
Cool.
yeah. Do you have the thing built up on your end, Tanesh?
Yep. Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay, amazing.
Fantastic.
Got it. Jen, did you push your changes last time? Because yeah, I know I did not, but
I think I did push mine, so
okay.
I think so, but let me just make sure
Yeah,
that I
sure.
did as well. Hide
Mm-hmm.
API view all branches. Okay, I did not. So I'll push that now, alright? Or it won't help you.
Fine. Or
Huh?
maybe actually, if do you make any substantial change in it? Okay, it should be fine then. I'll just continue.
Cool. Yeah.
Um, yeah, one sec.
Alright.
Ready. I'm gonna share my screen. So I'll explain you the not in a problem. We just don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's like super duper simple.
Mhm.
It's just that at least I don't know how to do it. But yeah. One second. Bring this one here. Is this big enough? Tanesh?
Let me see. Yeah, okay, that's better.
All right. Okay. So I'll show you terminal cd client Python -m simple HTTP server. Okay. New window. I'll just open it and I'll explain it to you. Let's say Tanesh 1. Oh, it's gonna do that. Okay, so goes here. So what we are trying to do is now we're gonna display the name Tanesh 1 here.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm not too sure how we're gonna put this inside. Um, like one thing which I was thinking we can do is if anything else doesn't work out, we can just put an empty div tag here, and then we
Mhm.
can do like document.get element by ID
Mhm.
is equal to get board whatever the get board name is.
Okay. But how, I remember doing the middle web. I'm not sure if you guys still using
Yeah,
it, but
yeah,
how it's showing in the URL. Can we
yeah,
use
yeah,
that
yeah. We can do
variable
that.
to then display the title?
Yeah, of course. Which page is this
Um,
one? Right?
sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt you guys. I was just listening to Tanesh's suggestion. It was exactly the easiest where I thought on the front end would be as well. But
Hmm.
then when I was trying to implement it, I must have not implemented it properly, and it might have needed more work. But I wanted
Yeah.
to do that, and it kind of it was going in the direction of how in the in the URL it shows the board name Dinesh right at the end, as in if you give a board name as in Z1 or test, then when it navigates to index.html, it shows test1 right at the end appended with the URL. It was for some reason it was taking that test1 as kind of a page.
Okay.
If that makes sense. So that was the kind of problem that I faced. I might have implemented it in a wrong way. I'm not entirely sure, but you guys can definitely give that a go, and probably it would work
Yeah.
for you, and I might have missed out something in the middle.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, maybe we can like just try something.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Node is working. I forgot about this. Nice. It's pretty good. All right.
Okay.
Okay, this is working as well. Right. Anyway, so let's go back to the code. Which page is this, Tanesh? Do you know this? Is this home HTML? I think it's just home, right? Oh, this is index.
Index. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna do is that at index, we're gonna show something here, like somewhere here.
Okay.
Like as soon as the body starts, we want to show the board name.
Okay. Zane, so you said you tried local storage.get item and then board name.
I tried something else, so maybe we can try what you're saying. Do you want me to do this?
Yeah. Let's try that. See if that works.
So you want me to write the script tag here, like the full thing?
Oh, maybe if we can.
I can tell you how I did it if that helps. So basically what I did was I removed everything from the heading tag and gave the heading 1 an ID of say board hyphen name, and then tried to show the local storage dot get item in that get element by ID board name as in JavaScript.
All right. Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Okay. What I was thinking was why we couldn't do this, the whole this thing, bringing this here, because when the next time person logs in, we won't be asking for this. We should get
I
it
can't
from
see
the
the
backend.
URL, Kai.
That should help. Okay, basically the point is, I'll tell you. I'll write here. If it is something like scrambler.ca/ and it's Zen1, this is what happens when you first time create the board. This goes when you create the board here, Zen1. But when you come back and you log in again, you won't be putting the board name again. So it should take it from the back end rather than taking it from the address bar.
Oh, yeah, true. Good point.
So maybe the better approach is to just get it from the back end, really. Like it's hard work, but that's just the correct approach, in my opinion.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I agree with that.
Yeah, what do you say, Zen? Oh, fun. That's more.
That was gonna be a really good solution, but on Friday I just thought to take the lazy way. But yes, that is exactly how it's supposed to be in the first place. So yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, maybe we can. I mean, we'll just get the. I'll get one board ID, and we can try console logging board ID. So the issue right now is that the middleware isn't actually returning anything. Like let's say there is a um, post function or um, one sec. Like okay, let's say there is a get board by ID. This is just doing a. Oh, okay. Now I wrote return board. Okay. So whenever I call it, I should get a board, and then I can write board name there. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
Makes sense.
All right. So, okay. So what do you suggest, Nish? I'll just get Postman up one sec.
Um,
Boards. No, what? Zen, did you change the URL? Zen?
Yes, I don't think I did.
All right, okay.
Let me just have a as in
Yeah, mine starts
confirm.
with K. Hey, Tori, how's it going? Yes, special guest. Yeah. Alright.
So mine starts with BL.
Okay, then you need to send me.
Is that the
Mine.
so is that not the one on there?
Yeah,
Postman?
yeah. Yes. No, you need to send it to me. Can you send it me fast?
Yeah, just bear with me.
Mhm.
I'm on doing two things at a time.
Yeah. Tori Littlefield says a real engineer. Finally, this show really needs to.
True.
Yeah. I think Tanesh, you work as a site reliability engineer.
yeah, I do.
So what does that imply though? Like
Mainly like looking at issues of the system and then
Mhm.
fixing that through like automation.
Oh, nice. What's the primary tool or language?
Mainly working with infrastructure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, more than code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just so you know, I've sent you on private chat, so
Okay.
just be careful because you're sharing your screen at the moment.
Yeah, got it. I'll just take my screen off. 1 second. Mm-hmm. Variables. Initial. Current. That's done. I'll share my screen again. We had a minor earthquake overnight. The other day was pretty crazy. Isn't earthquake like really common in Bali? Tori? Okay. Okay. There you go. I'll do this board ID. Okay. Tanesh, what do you suggest now? Should we write a script tag here?
Did you test the oh, did you already test it behind the scenes? Getting the board name?
Oh yeah, I did. There's just too many, but yeah, don't worry about that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll just go and delete that if that would make it easier
Yeah.
for you guys.
Sure. But yeah, for now, do you wanna just enter a script tag here?
Yeah. I think that makes sense.
Do you wanna? So can we just do a console log for now, and we can do So still front end is imported here. Still front end is the new name for middleware. Just yeah.
Okay.
So this is imported. That means I can access the functions, right?
Just so you know, if you want to test getting the board, you will have to create new boards now first.
Oh wait, not all of them got deleted, but that's fine. I think they should be
Really?
fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's all right. Actually. But yeah, Tanesh. So if I have this script tag here, that means we can access get board by ID, right?
Let's try it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just see.
And it's because it's returning a board object. Will you dot board name, or just let's just print it. See what happens. Maybe, or maybe actually, I feel like alert is just kind of what I like. Yeah. On. Come on, alert me, bro. View page source. That is unusual. Okay. Let's do inspect element to see what code we have there. I can't even view page source, can we? So is it not executing the script tag? Did I write something wrong here? Is it taking the get board by ID?
You probably need to do document dot.
Oh, I know why. I think. Oh, right. Because I didn't change the thing in the environment.js file. Give me one sec. I'll change my environment file as well. Wait, it starts with BL, right, Jen? No.
Yes. Keep on muting myself, and then when you ask me something, I nod and
Yeah.
say yes, and then you're like, Zane, and I'm like, I'm muting myself again. Jesus, what's happening, Gagdev? You're right there?
Hey, Kev, Tanesh, do you wanna talk to the chat as well?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Whatever we're
Tori.
talking about.
I am I am confused about the middleware and still front end.
Tori Leofield says, Dinesh, have you ever seen such wondrous code in your life? Probably not, right?
My first time.
And guys, can we please hydrate, as in all of us?
Yeah, and also Zen, can you do the um pay respect to the country, please?
Ah, yes, I need to do that. Back to our country. I'm just gonna open my web page from where I got it. All right, here goes. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet today, and pay my respects to the elders, past and present. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today.
Thank you. Okay.
Have we hydrated, guys?
I have Coke if that helps.
Please
Pepsi.
do. Please do, Dinesh, as well, please. And I'll just go and get my water.
Yeah, these are just customary traditions.
I see.
Not sure why this is not coming at all. Maybe if I just write a alert, hello. That's like just amazing. Is it the right way to write this?
I don't know. Just let's see if that works.
Yeah. Maybe I'll just like open this in a new tab. I'm incognito. That helps a lot of times. Okay, so that
Okay,
works.
that works.
So go away.
Did the console log work? Is it Karthik?
Now I'm gonna try it. So I think what happened was that the whole thing was cached. So it was showing me the previous page. That has happened before, so I'm just gonna go back. So we did a promise. Rejected. What is the problem? Oh, wait, I know my screen is small. Let's make it big. 1 second. Is it big enough? Oh, that's too big. Actually.
Yeah, no, that's yeah, it's big, but yeah, I can see it.
All right. Unexpected token. Unexpected. 153. Line number 153. Down. Having some problem with the parsing here. Maybe GetDev would have something for this. GetDev, do you know something along with this issue? Never seen this.
Kaji, you might want to try and
Yeah.
Google them. That's a process of learning as well. So
Hmm.
feel free to do
Yeah.
that.
Jupyter says console log the text, and he says in double quotes. Okay, so he wants to see this. Okay, Jupyter, I can do that. Is that what you want, Jupyter? Probably without the semicolon. Yes, then I'll run it. Okay.
Yep, it's
Thank
in
you. Okay. I'm gonna just for safety purpose. Oh, go ahead. 0.0. This is for Jupyter. Oh. Down. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is what we got. You're parsing something that's not in JSON. Okay, so it's all. Oh, it's not in JSON already. I think I know why. Oh, I know why. Oh boy. Okay, now I get it. If I go and open the backend, new window. So why don't I just return the text? Wait a minute. Yes, I'll go on the backend and you guys see. I think this is the reason why. Just give me 1 sec. Scrum Understand API and get board. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to the get function for the board. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So this is returning what essentially is a board. Okay. The text is a literal string, Okay. Not a JSON object. Catch these little buggers. Is there another roguelet? I'm not sure of that, but I think we are returning. Is board not a JSON object here? Uh, um. Okay. Zen, could you help me out a little for one sec?
Yeah, what's happening?
Disable. Is board a JSON object?
A board adjacent objects. Let me just confirm that I was merging backend, and it's
Mhm.
good that I'm on the in the right place already.
That's
Um,
good. Tori puts a good point. This is not parse at all. Um,
uh,
yeah, I feel like there is some issue with this whole thing.
I
What
don't
is?
think board.
Yeah.
I don't think board is a JSON object because it's being sent as an object only.
Okay. So can I just convert this object? So what kind of object is it? Like what language or like what object?
I mean,
Oh,
the
type
board is
object of a
one.
string. Okay.
Yeah.
Tori answers it. Okay. Um,
Type string.
how about we just convert this to a? But it's not. It's really not, right? So a board is essentially this part. Hmm. Okay, maybe I can just like take this and um. I mean, see, a board is a collection, right?
Yeah, Tori's right.
Yes. So the board isn't a collection; it's an
This is-
object. Board
Yeah.
notes is a collection.
Okay. Yeah, fair. So we can just convert this to a JSON, right?
Yes.
I
I
can't
would.
see the chat. What's happening there? Looks like something's funny.
Tutorial. So GagDev goes console.log jobs at Pizza Hut.
You
And then,
know, actually, some jobs at Pizza Hut pay more than what a junior software dev gets per hour. So,
okay, don't get depressed. Now we should keep on the path.
I'm just saying.
Tori Littlefield was saying Dinesh is wondering what he got himself into.
I mean, these all viewers are wondering. You guys watch us every night, so it's all on you guys.
Yeah,
Not on us.
the jokes is on you, Tori Littlefield, not us. Jupyter Red is the response on HTTP object response object. If so, does it contain the function response? Jupyter Wrath has actually made a really interesting point. Is
Yeah, what
our
is it?
response coming as J- as a JSON object, with which I don't think it is.
Hmm.
I'll just check in backend as well. Yeah, our response, it doesn't really come as a JSON object. No. So Jupyter Wrath has got a really good point.
Okay, so I'll just convert a JavaScript object to um
A JSON object.
okay, so I just need to do JSON oh wait, toString will help or not? Or JSON stringify?
JSON, I think it would probably be JSON stringify, because if you're doing JSON object to string, that's just coming
Oh wait,
back as a string, isn't it?
Oh, sorry. I need to use JSON.parse. My bad. Sorry.
Ah, that would actually make a lot more sense. Cause
Yeah, let me get the link which Jupyter had sent.
mm-hmm.
I literally need to go to inspect element every time if someone sends a link. Uh, Jupyter, send us on this on Slack, please. Let's take my contact, please. Okay.
I work as a site reliability engineer. Hector. Just started about 2 months ago. Basically working with infrastructure, that sort of thing.
Nice.
Oh, can you guys hear me all right? Oh no.
Yeah.
I can, but
Yeah.
you might want to turn it up slightly more. Seems Dev is having a bit of troubles, just slightly.
Okay. Let me see.
Tori Liverpool goes for your hard of hearing hair.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
better?
You might want to ask Dev. And
Yeah.
Cactive, can you hear me? And Tori, can you hear me better now? So. Yeah, infra.
Okay. How about if I try JSON.parse this thing? Yeah, let me just return it as JSON.parse in the backend. I believe then you might have to do that.
right, okay. Let me just change my branch then.
Yeah.
And then I would make the changes.
Yeah,
Right.
maybe do it on stable backend or wherever the code is a good code.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. One sec. Well, Jupyter sent me something. Let me try that.
Okay, cool. Do you still want me to do it or not?
Open it, but I'll try this.
Okay.
On line 150. I'm just gonna keep this. Okay, Jupyter, I keep that. You actually want me to try it, or no? You can't try it. No, I can't. Yeah. Console.log what? Just this? I'm not sure what this does. Do you know anything about this, Tanesh?
Not quite. No.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is this what you're recommending, Jupyter? Okay.
So.
I don't think so. That got console logged. honestly. There was nothing in the console log though. This will at least allow you to inspect whether this is in the response. Didn't quite get that. Uh, you want me to try catch it? Is that what you want? I don't think so. Yeah. Oh, snap. What do you want me to control log here, Jupiter? I'll remove this. Oh my god. I can just console log the text. I think that's what you mean. Uh, I'll go ahead and remove. I was looking to see if there's an object. So yeah, 1 sec. I mean, we are getting an object for sure. Like I'm pretty sure about that. To make a joke, you must read the joke. Yeah, fair. Okay, I'm just gonna comment this one out. However, how about you look at the network, call, inspect. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that this time. Oh, no, okay. So fetch is returning a 404. Just basically means that there's no actual results from the backend. Ungot promise. Text is not defined. Yeah, I think it's just something to do with the backend. But it's just funny that we are getting stuff from the postman. But yeah, I think we just need to parse it properly. Zen, I think if Jupiter, do you really know what you made? Okay. Zen, could you just open the backend, please?
Yes, I can. Just bear with me for a sec.
Mhm.
Need to switch back to. I'm a bit in a critical position at the moment.
Okay. Areas, that was a bit of a personal attack there. But okay, I guess. Hey, Conver, how's it going? Yeah, look at our viewers. I don't know. Generally, Sunday night is not that busy, but yeah, I think Tanish's charm has brought everyone here.
Do you guys get regular viewers? Is that most of the time?
I mean, we try to. I mean, it depends, right? Like, I'm not gonna like hype it up. Like, we can have days when only Get Dev and Tori are here, but or we can have days when a lot of people are there. But yeah, they are there. Like, there's gonna be someone there for sure. There's gonna be more than 3 people for sure.
Alright, so what do you need from me, Kay?
Can you share your screen first? Go for it, Tanesh.
Dev. Yeah. So I'm a new graduate. Yeah. Finished last year, studying computer science. So yeah, this is my first job in.
Nice.
Yeah. So I only recently started working in the industry. Actually, only about 2 months ago. I find working with Scrum Master.
You know,
What
Keg
is-
Dev. My oh, it's just a yeah, it's just a joke. But yeah,
What?
my workplace asked me to do Scrum for them, so yeah, I was really happy.
What's the joke about?
So yeah, I don't know, just like this is the whole thing about Scrum, right? Like, um, just like we were trying to implement a lot of Scrum things here,
Oh,
and
okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think everyone was
Okay.
on. Yeah.
What do you want?
Oh yeah, yeah.
What do
Sorry.
you want to do on the back end, please?
I'll send you the link. Send a private. Maybe don't open your private. Zen, don't open your private because the URL is there. So probably stop sharing your screen. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Are you quitting your job? I don't think so. Scrum is really suitable for your like when you start. I mean, like the nearest you can get to Scrum in a junior role is just project management. That's what I've seen. But yeah, I'm just doing Scrum as just like, oh yeah, we need to get development organized. Can you help us out? That was the whole point of. But yeah, I'm still working as a dev only.
Right. So we need a JSON string first in order to pass it to JSON.
Hmm.
And it will return an object array that was contained within the string.
Yeah.
Right. So basically we need to convert the board to a JSON string and then pass
Yeah.
that JSON string to JSON. All right.
Yeah. Just convert the JS object to JSON object and just send it. Just res.send it. Wherever you have res.send, um, are you using the lessons learned here on this project to guide you? Um, um, I did scrumming for uni. Um, I think that's where I got to know how to do it. Um, but yeah, I mean, honestly, Scrum is just not really a lot of things. It's just, oh yeah, just use Jira and just plan things. It's something that you do with any project, even with anything you do in your personal life as well. Just like, oh yeah, we're gonna do this stuff in the next 2 weeks. A mate of mine moved into a part-time business analyst role from being a full-time C/dev, doing like 30/70 between two jobs. He ended up moving full-time to BA since he hated the quality of code his colleagues kept adding to our project. Did you consider Jira to be a Scrum Master's delight? Um, I wouldn't say Jira, just the whole project management softwares. But that being said, I'm more Jira inclined because I like the Jira marketplace and all the add-ons you get in Jira. Yeah, ClickUp's nice as well. It's just do pump and show. Luckily, I was a JS dev. He couldn't rag on me. Uh, maybe Arias wants to reply on this. But yeah. So Zen, let's see what you're doing.
Let's see if this works.
No, oh right, okay. Wait, why are you JSON stringifying it? Do you have to?
Because in the answer it says it needs to be a JSON
Okay,
string in order to be
okay,
passed.
yeah, fair. Wait,
So
go
I've
down, go down
JSON
in that
stringified
answer.
it and then
Actually, can we just open run.js and try it?
yeah,
What do you
sure.
think? Oh wait, but we won't have the packages. Yeah, we really can't do it.
No.
It's fine.
Well,
Then can you do
deploy
a
this.
wait?
hmm
You have to res.send that.
Ah, yeah. Thanks for pointing that out.
Also do a console.log as well, just in case. Press F to. Oh, um, that was mean, Hector. That
Right.
was really
Okay. I'm gonna deploy this and see how
I,
it
I
how
don't
it
I
goes.
don't support that one. That was just too mean. Anyway, what's Postman returning to you guys? So Postman's essentially, I think it's just returning exactly what's inside DynamoDB. So, but yeah, that being said, I think it's an object only. Obviously, DynamoDB doesn't store things as a JSON object, so it's just a JS object in my belief. I mean, if we are able to iterate through it, I'm pretty sure it's just a JavaScript object. Like if we are able to run a for loop between these boards, um, yeah. Tanesh, I wasn't paying attention. Can you explain what's going on here? I don't know what that meant. Mm,
Sorry, what do you mean, Jupiter?
I actually didn't get what.
Yeah, damn.
Return JSON.parse JSON stringify JSON.parse. Ah, that's a joke. You got it, Zen?
That's just
Huh?
You
I'm
got
not
it? Did
reading the chat. Are you
running a
asking me about the chat?
no, no. Did you get the? Did you deploy it?
About to. All right. Just a bit of a heads up. This might not work.
kick.
Good to know. Linus Tech Tips. Is that a YouTube channel or something?
Yes, he has
Oh yeah, the Canadian YouTuber. Oh yeah.
yeah.
So, got it. Oh yeah, he got pretty big.
Yeah. Good videos.
Thanks for the heads up.
I was thinking that if no no, I was thinking that if we had a bit more time, I would have given the control to Dinesh, and he can deploy the app. Uh,
Maybe we can do the VS Code pair programming.
Yeah.
What ID do you use, Atanesh?
Yeah, he has VS Code as well.
There we go.
Light mode or dark mode?
Oh, of
Obviously.
course, it has to be dark mode.
Exactly.
I remember. I don't know how this is gonna go down for me, but my CTO uses light mode, and I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know how this is gonna go down for me, but I had to say this.
So yeah, all preference. If represents
Right.
Zane as a TS type, what would it be? What's a TS type?
Python on like TypeScript.
TypeScript.
TypeScript type.
That is it. Really, a TS type?
Right. Okay. We have a problem here. So I'm gonna have to solve that problem first because I was expecting this problem to come.
Is it rolling back?
I was in the middle
Oh.
of a merge, and when you pointed out that,
Yeah.
actually talking about that, can you possibly do it from your end? Because I won't be able to. It will take me a bit of time to get back to normal.
Actually, what you can do is if you go to stable back and it has the same code and the branch is still there.
Yes, it does have a same code, but I can't switch the branch now because I was in the middle of the merge.
You can
So
just do git push it harder.
I would have to abort the merge first. And
I would
then
say do that because for me to do that, I have to do a lot of things. I need to change every URL. So might be worth just do git merge abort, minus abort.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, sorry about that, but yeah, it would take more time. Oh, yes. Can't wait to get my tier 1 sub. Oh, for LTT, are you talking? Get there first. One must know what a TS type. What is a TS type?
I was just having a look. I think it's just like a boolean or enum tuple array.
Mhm. Okay.
Where did I do that change?
You switched the branch, it probably won't be there.
No,
Oh,
no,
you
no, it
didn't?
should be here because I was coding the thing over here. Ah, here we go. What did I do it for? Get a particular board.
JS primitive IE. Objective savage, man.
Still, I'm big into Tori.
Okay, I'm gonna do that change in the uh, which one? The board, get specific board, or
I
which
won't
one?
mind that areas. Sorry,
Kartik?
yeah. So yes, get specific board, please. And just do json.parse when you're doing res.send. Maybe we need to set it up. Maybe we need to set a Discord up. And we need to bring Zen to Discord first.
I'm good, mate. I'm good. I'm good. You guys enjoy there.
Tanish, you use Discord, right? Like surely.
Yeah, I use this code.
Okay. Come on, Zen. It'll be fun.
Uh,
Yeah,
let's
that's
just
kind of
do
not
this.
good, Tori. That just means you guys are mean. So
Um,
I remember blocking someone 3 weeks ago from the channel. I don't know. They made some comment, but yeah.
From this
We
chat.
did block. Yeah, we did block someone, right, Zen?
yeah, we did.
Mm.
What happened?
I think they made some. I don't remember exactly what happened, but I remember they making some. Just like not about us, but like yeah.
Hmm.
You should apply
Just
for
the
an.
kind of language that can't be tolerated here.
Yeah.
Yep, fair. I guess-
Nah, we like I just banned them. Areas. Yes, story was about the code.
About the code.
You better watch out. Yeah, I remember their name started with a T.
Okay, try to change the subject,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah. If you guys are using Express with Node, why do you run server with Python?
Why do you run this?
I don't think that's a big issue. I mean, we can do NPM. We can run it with NPM as well, right?
You can do a live server as well. Just
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
we can do that. I don't know. It's just it's just how it was done. Wait, maybe let's see. Python simply services. What is a faster alternative to this? Okay, so you can apparently there's a node package for okay called HTTP server.
Okay, I've deployed
Yeah.
this, so you might want to start checking now.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll see if there's a change. You did it for get bored, right? Basically.
Get board. Get a board, but let me just confirm as well.
Yeah.
List or board.
Yeah, I was wondering, can't we just do something like I don't know, npm run dev?
You can you can install the package. And I used to use Live Server, npm
All right.
Live
Okay.
Server, and then you just use Live Server, and that works well, I think.
And how do you start the server?
You
Oh, wait.
just change into that directory, and then you just type Live Server.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean,
I've done that. Okay, you might want to share your
yeah,
screen.
I'll do that already. Seeing that. Okay. What was I gonna do? So you did that. Let me just do a postman and see. Okay, everything's coming fine here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a thing from here down, down, down. I'm just gonna call get board by ID here. Let's try running spoy. Mm, one sec.
Let's put in coordinate.
Actually, let me just alert this. Is there like a thing which keeps track of your console?
What do you mean?
It's like keeps in things which were in your console. One sec. Why is it not going forward? Post no. Let me just. Why? Oh, I know why it's not going forward. Okay. Right. Down. Where is my little boy? Get bored by ID. Okay. There it is. So URL is that. Are we adding that? No, we are not, right? So I'm just gonna comment this out what Jupyter sent us. I'm gonna let the original code run. What are you building? That's a pretty interesting Rasta Lord. Um, do you know explain Tanesh what we're building here?
Yep. There's this existing application called Scrumbler, open source application where you can essentially it's a Kanban board, Kanban board that you can add notes to, and you can share the link with other people so that they can add post-it or notes too. So basically, in this project, we are adding persistent storage to it in AWS and just giving it a bit of, adding some extra features and doing what we can to make it a little bit better.
Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so good news. We do get the thing in a JSON object finally, which is really good. We got it. I'm just gonna try to print it now. Okay. So we need to go to the next page, which we are not going. Oh, because post is not working. Fair enough. It's gonna enable post. Where is my boy post? Yeah, there it is. So post works. I'm just gonna comment the whole get board scenario. I'm gonna take this ID and I'm gonna.
Yes, sorry,
Yeah.
this is the enhanced version.
Sorry.
I was just reporting.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching us for our story. Okay.
Just a bit of an update. The merge is done.
Very nice.
Cool.
And I'll just add to what Tanesh said as well that by enhanced versions, we mean that we're adding persistence storage to the original project. So our version will be backed by a database.
Okay.
Middleware.
Middleware.
All right, Gagdev, I get the point. Nope.
Okay, so it says the wording error message corresponds to Google Chrome. When you run json.parse, I know the server setting is content, okay, but I'm led to believe the body is actually HTML. Yes, it is. The error was actually thrown within jQuery and passed. What's happening to chat? Oh, yeah, okay. And passed to you as a variable error. The reason that line is underlined is simply because where you're logging it. Okay, I would suggest adding your log there. I don't think so. This is what we want. You're using HTML, XML. Okay, so let me just see the network tab. It's gonna reload this stuff. Content type is text/HTML. Okay, that's probably where the problem is.
So it didn't change it. Ah.
So the board is. Yep.
Okay. Do you wanna answer this question? That toilet little field asked. So getBoard ID is a function on the front end that is not awaiting a response.
Yes, I think so. But that being said, the question is why. Give me one sec. I can have that. So the problem is that promise is not getting settled. Really, the the request says that the data type should be what do you call it, a JSON, and so what we are actually getting here in
The
the
text.
response is a text/HTML. Oh, okay, wait. I think that's because we're doing. One sec. We're doing this. So it is return text question mark. That means if there's something in the text, you JSON will parse the text. But we are not getting it as text now. We're just getting it as a JSON object only. What if I just do return text? Yeah. Yeah, I can just do return text.
Try that because it's already been passed on the backend now. So seems we might. Gagdev is making me laugh today.
Always do what I say. Make sure you like Pizza Hut.
I think we three already have a job. So. Yeah. And it's gonna remove this. Why is this showing error? Question is expected. Oh, go away, bro. Pull a log text right now. Okay, let me just try this. I don't think so. We need this. Actually, we kind of do. Oh, okay. Let's see what this has in store for us.
Come on, baby, go.
Okay,
Give me something.
undefined, better than.
Ah, okay. So we're on a
Mm.
good path now. At
Okay,
least we're in
fulfilled.
the error.
Fulfilled. That's pretty good.
Heck yeah.
Undefined. Okay, then go to your AWS CloudWatch and show me what the console.log is telling you. My choice, but clean it up. It's yeah. I'll do that. Yeah, Tori, thanks for that. Um, yeah, good call. I'll share your screen, Zen. Is that okay?
Yeah, you can now.
Oh, also, we are completing 100 episodes on 21st, which means 140 hours in the last 3 months, I believe. So that's something exciting coming up.
Mm-hmm. Can't wait for
Yeah,
4 more days.
hundreds a big number, honestly.
Mm.
That's
Can
like,
you see my screen?
yeah, I can.
Yep.
Mhm.
Yep.
Oh wait, let me see that. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's what we wanted.
Yeah, try.
That's pretty good. Okay, okay. So
I'm sharing
Bill,
your screen now.
yeah, I know. It's okay. Um, undefined.
Objective goes, they will make sure it works after they release it.
There's a
Good
saying
job,
is
Jack.
this,
Good job.
if it works, it works.
Yeah, we'll make sure it works after the first release.
So what's the thing with Story is saying something or async function?
He's
Honestly, I don't know about it.
saying that we might have forgotten to put a wait in front of the promise. So if you're
Which
using
one?
which we are, but don't. But with
Okay,
the
so you're
await,
asking,
why are we not using promise? No. That's the wrong syntax. What means that in a function which is async, it needs to have an await, which it does on line 137, and then with the await, it needs to probably have a promise right at the end of the statement.
okay. So like something like dot promise here. Is that what you're talking about?
From what I've understood, we can't really use promise if we have a then.
Okay.
Am
All
I
right.
right? Anyone in the viewers? Just Google that and see what
On
Google
it.
tells us.
Yeah. Okay. So const fetch promise, nothing of that sort. Haven't already done this time. Const
Just
res.
confirming, GagDev.
Yeah.
Just confirming. It's always good to confirm.
Okay, so fetch promise in which you put the thing, and instead of writing dot, then you
Okay.
write.
Yeah. So I was right. If we don't use a, if we use a then we can't use a promise. Yeah. So we're on the right path over there.
Okay, so the internet says something to like this.
Um,
Because board is the response.
that doesn't seem right.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just saying because
Go back to that one.
yeah, this is what the guy did.
but he's not using a weight over there.
Fair enough. Okay. Await is expression cause the async function execution to pause until a promise is settled. Okay. If the promise is rejected, await expression throws the rejected value. Yeah, I think we should be fine. You're right. Why do I think that is
Yeah.
a Rickroll video? I don't want to open that.
Yeah, I've got feeling as well. That's a sarcastic video.
Yeah, I just gag dev Rickrolling
Yeah.
everyone in the chat.
Exactly.
Wait, have you seen the Rickroll videos, Ed?
No.
Surely. You
No.
have not.
No. I don't watch those kind of videos, mate.
Should I put the video as gag dev said? Let me just make
No.
sure it's not. Okay, no, never mind. It's not Rickroll.
Just focus on what we are trying to do, man.
I was this close to getting Rickrolled. Anyway, I'm gonna
So
try
what
running.
exactly are we facing at the moment? I don't even know the
Yeah.
root cause.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
It's giving us undefined basically right now. Show it to you. Now promise is rejected. Type error board.den. Okay, yeah, sorry, my bad.
Yeah,
Should be
okay.
done. One sec. You guys probably should be very easy. So it did print there. Huh. And now it's saying that it's undefined. That's
And the promise
dirty.
is pending.
No, the promise is fulfilled.
But the promise result is okay.
I don't think so. We do play.
Right. Dinesh, you want to keep an eye on the chat, please, as well?
Yep. Let's see. What are the starting salaries in AU for juniors? I think that depends really. Maybe like 50 to 70, I would say. But I think the market's really good now, so I'd say that'd be higher.
I know someone's getting 90.
Wow.
For junior?
Yeah.
Wow.
No cap.
Damn.
Yeah, I saw this job recently for like Golang stuff, basically Golang and AWS. Yeah, it was pretty good. Anywhere from 45 I've seen. Yeah. I mean that's a general for sure. 45 to 70, I'd say.
Yeah.
Right. Go back to the code, okay?
Decent compared.
And focus on this a little bit more. Response to return.
Yeah, US is really crazy for tech roles, and it's kind of funny that there's a huge disparity just between like everyone's crying in the US about, oh yeah, restaurant owners are not getting as much and they have to collect tips from customers, and then there are like software devs junior roles like, oh yeah, there's 120K, write some CSS.
True. But
True.
it depends where you're living as well.
That's true.
I was watching this YouTube video where this guy was saying in San Fran, like 100K is low. If if you're living there.
Yeah, for sure, man. And like when we say like 60 or 60,000 Australian dollars, that's Australian dollars, not the real
Yeah.
dollars.
Mhm, mhm.
That's like what 45, 50K US dollars. Oh, yeah, sorry,
True.
Zen, you were saying something.
Let's just call it a
Yeah.
night. And can you push
Oh,
this
yeah.
code?
Yeah, let me do that.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's broken or not. We need to make sure that whatever we are doing on the day is pushed to the relevant branch, and you should move to the US. Yeah, yeah, I'm trying to find a girlfriend over there, so uh, trying my best to take the shortcut for the green card. Let's see how it goes.
You know, you're not the first one, right? Um,
Adding fetch calls to to
should be fine. Um,
adding. Have you created a new branch?
no, we've been working on add board name heading, right? That's the branch we made.
And
We're
uh,
still doing that feature.
right. That means that I need to change a few things in mine. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Yeah. Let's push this and
Yeah, so
you
this
can
is a
come back
totally
to.
new branch. Yeah, so it'll be there now.
Wowza.
Big money in US. Yep. Oh, that's not USD as well. So let's, I guess. Was yeah, US salaries are pretty high.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I was looking at roles, like just I was doing some research on LinkedIn, and the total number of roles which Australia has for junior devs, that's just one city in US.
Wow.
So
Wow.
I was like,
That's
wow.
incredible.
Mm.
All right. Gegdev wants us to do some push-ups as a crew, so
The crew. Okay.
let's do that.
Well, I
Mhm.
guess. Okay. I'll do it.
Okay, I can't move my camera, so what I can do.
Actually, you guys do. I'll keep an eye on you both and
What do
count
you
as
mean?
well.
That's not fair.
Just kidding.
I can't. You guys probably can't see me.
Don't cheat, Kartik. Do not cheat. All right.
Oh.
So 5 each, yeah?
Mhm.
I'll start counting on 3, 2, 1, go. 5,
Yep.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh, fun.
Good job, guys. Well done. First, yeah, I know, Cactev. I'm pretty bad at everything except push-ups and counting.
Mhm.
Only until 5. That's all I can
Wait,
count, though.
technically you counted six because you started from five and counted till zero.
Yeah, because we are programmers, right? 0 is
Uh,
1, isn't it, for us?
that's true.
All right,
Right.
guys.
Good.
Thank you very much for joining us again, and thanks to Tanesh. It was really good having you.
Hmm.
Thanks, and thanks, Karthik.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
And yeah, so good productivity. One got the merge done, and the
Yeah.
other two being really can't even talk in English. One, two, other two got really productive in getting the front end working, which was a useful time. So
Hmm.
yeah, join us tomorrow same time.
Yeah.
And do you
Yeah.
guys want to add anything to that?
You go first, Tanesh, if you have something to add.
No, good. You had a lot of fun. Yeah, hope to join
Yeah.
again. Thanks, guys.
Will we see you tomorrow? I think the
Yeah.
chat's curious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
So
interesting. Yeah.
yeah.
I'm
So
paid.
yeah,
I'm
it's
paid.
official. He's gonna be here tomorrow. So don't forget to tune in tomorrow, guys.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't have
Perfect.
anything to add. Yeah, I think we got stuff done. The whole point is to just get things done faster now. So we're
Yeah.
gonna divide a
Mhm.
lot of stuff, and having
True.
to make on board.
Mhm.
It's gonna make us more agile, I guess. So yeah,
Heck yeah.
I think it's gonna be more productive, and
Mhm.
yeah, just join in for tomorrow to see how well we tune in. But yeah, until tomorrow, see you guys tomorrow then.
Yeah. Perfect. So Tanesh, you're gonna say same place when I stop. Okay. Okay. You know what to do, right?
I know.
Right. So thanks a lot for joining again, guys. Good having you all, and we'll see you tomorrow, same time.
Same place.
Different task.
There we go. Perfect.
All right.
All right, guys. Have a good night. Cheers.
Yeah.
Bye.
See you
Yes,
guys.
we also.